Me, can't focus on me.
Christmas, there is just one thing I need. And I don't care about the presents. I need the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy. The toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. I won't ask for much this Christmas. I won't even wish for snow. Just wanna keep on waiting. I won't make a list and send it to the North Pole or send it. I won't even stay awake to just bring it back. 'Cause I just want you here tonight. Hold me so tight. What more can I do? Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. And I don't care about the presents. I need the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy. The toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you.
I like this.
Money if you buy something.
Yes, sir. 30% off. 30% off. $110. Hello. We're okay. How are you? She's looking. Okay.
25% off it is?
25% of 40, yeah, looks so. 25%
You can
of
scan find one of the QR code and scan and get 15 more percent, and then you can add it to that. So you'd have be 30.
5%
You'd have
off these.
40.
Okay, these are as marked, but you can also get 15% off with your coupon.
With the coupon.
Yeah.
So scan the QR code and get the 15%, and then find place anywhere you see with the. I saw one when
7 years from Amazon. Free. Putting one down.
me see one of the QR code when we there come. I go join him too. What you mean, come on? You say I go join trade and he say, come on. You know. You wanna say, hey? Me think you're there, lift up your hand. Thank you. You too. Our national footwear. We're going to the store. I know.
Right? Something I like already.
Yeah, me see the color that I want already.
You want to buy it too?
I'm not buy it in here. We have it on Amazon.
Can I get something from here? Yeah.
Right, there we go.
$14.99 for this.
At $2.99 with your phone?
Mm-hmm. Wanna just
me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, ain't stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little down. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I hate, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Put it in the box, close the door. Let's see what we can do. That's a good start. Now lift the stamp, put it in carefully, close the door. Here. It's called the bear show. We should pretend to be a trained bear. The scale doesn't work like that. We've been working hard. There we go. Follow Maureen. I'll get rid of this barrel. This is always in the way when I'm trying to get things done. All right. Why don't we just head over here and could you join? Where do you think you're going? Could you look at me with the other end, please? My goodness. Yeah, there's nothing there. Could you join me over here? I'd like you. Don't get on that barrel. Do not get inside the barrel. And this is a bare belly. And she doesn't drop the can on the ground. Oh no, she recycles. All of our black bears are going green. It's good for us. Oh, look at her go. With her brand new Balenciaga bag. Oh yeah, doesn't she look just like Mr. America? Right over here to the double chair, greater than their own length. Their depth perception is not that good. And it's also hard for them to find brightly colored barrels out there. Very good. You got a barrel on that time. Now she looks just like Judy Jetson. All right, I think it's Maureen's turn. Hildy, could you do your little dancey dance? Pick a good spot. We'd like you to do a few pirouettes. It's right about there. The teddy bear two-step. Oh, there she goes. Now notice how she throws her head way back around like that? We did not teach her to do that. What she's doing is keeping her eye on the ice cream. That is a very practical move. Now right up onto the scale. We're going to weigh her in. Remember, she's 2 days older than Darla. What do you get, Maureen? Yeah. 209 pounds and growing. All right, it's at this part of the show. I tend to get a headache.
Park, calling it into place with the steam tracker on the left. It's a well-known New Hampshire state statute that when crossing such a bridge, it's obligatory to scream as loud as possible.
What do we have here?
Time for my tea.
This ain't right. Looks 5 inches off. Here, good. Oh, I boundaries. I play. They playing scuffers. It's an outrage. About a mile, not 5 out a mile. Your final warning. Come on, I got a scope with your name on it. Come on, I need help down my mind. I rock with you. I don't know how to see you. You're all lazy. You don't want to work on your brain. Think about it. And that's about I don't want to do your help with. I don't want to be I'll be rich, I tell you. You keep on running.
Well, I see we're rapidly running out of track here. Seems as though time is ready to welcome you to our romance. Well, thank you for riding with us today. Beautiful day.
Dentro ia botar no barulhinho.
Começar a mover lá.
Exactly.
How was it? Right.
Like flat.
How was it?
6 out of 10.
How was it?
4 out of 10.
Can take this. Look at something in your face.
Huh?
Something in your face.
When me I take a picture? Take see another fi make video before the and I burn up cause I say, you got Central Park, you not even make video for YouTube. Damn! Did I want to exit too?
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss. You know what traditional, but your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me.
Wait, that's all?
Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me,
Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is spitting. You ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is good to go,
Yard vibes the scene. Eyes of the black, gold and green. People are rock and come in. Jamaica things. Yeah.